Hey guys, happy Friday. Hold on, I'm gonna clean my camera. So I'm actually at Manny's house right now because we are going camping and we have the van packed. Jomar, oh! Yeah. We have a friend coming. Say hey girl. Hi. Here's our little friend who's coming with us. This is Snoopy.
Hey, hey. Not my slippers.
Hey.
No, I mean, excuse my crusty feet, but...
No. He's like, but it's a toy!
Just because it's fluffy doesn't mean it's yours.
What time is it? It's actually 7. We're gonna try to get there before the sun goes down. But yeah, we're gonna try to get there so that we can get our tent up and stuff. Because we all had work. Well, most of us had work, so that's why we're going a little later, but that's all good. So yeah, we'll see you when we're on the road. Bye. Hi guys.
Hi.
We're in our tent. Well, actually it's my parents' tent. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papa.
Thank you.
But yeah, we can't really see it, but it is pretty big. And Snoopy's over there.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
So Manny and I are here out for a walk to the lake that's here. You wanna go down? You go first. Yeah. It's so hot right now, by the way. Wow. It's nice. Apparently Jomar jumped off of this bridge once upon a time. That's crazy.
He's willing to do it again. Oh my goodness. Yo, oh my god.
I have like tingles.
Yeah, same.
Wow, so I actually haven't vlogged in a long time, but Diane's here with me, and we just finished giving Snoopy a bath, and we're just chilling outside. Let me show you our tent, a room tour.
Oh, a messy room.
Yeah, I know, but look, I know it is messy, but our tent is so big. Again, thanks Mom and Papa for letting us use your tent. It's a mansion. You can actually fit like one more bed in here.
Yeah, we could.
Hey y'all, so we are switching up our camping trip and we're gonna go to Casino Niagara. Woo! And we're gonna spend some time there and chill with Diane and Jomar. Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
So yeah, we'll see you when we get to our room, I guess. Goodbye. Okay y'all, we made it to our room. Here's a quick room tour. Door, gorgeous washroom, jacuzzi tub, shower, ooh, mirrors. Here's room, king size, delicious. TV and the seating area. Say hello.
Hello.
This is camping life for us. I just finished taking a shower. Everyone else is just taking a shower and freshening up. We're gonna stay here for the night, but I just wanted to show you our view of this side of the hotel. Nice, right? Oh man, my stomach hurts. I'm hungry I'm hungry. Got a bed. Woohoo! Room service. We got some nachos, carrot cake, milkshakes. Go ahead, so don't worry. Cheesecake, seafood fried rice, chicken. Got some guac. I can't wait to try this. Hello guys. So we're back at the cabin site. We just finished taking everything out, as you can see. I'm sorry that I haven't really been vlogging. It's just been so hot and, you know, just taking in the moment. But we're gonna be heading back home soon. We're just getting everything ready. Snoopy's here with me. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Good. Ugly face. Ew, I'm so disgusting. Good morning, guys. Say hi, Cam. Okay. Where's our special guest? Snoopers? I know I didn't vlog a lot, but here I am now. Snoopy, this is Snoopy. Wait, I think I did introduce him, but he is our potential dog. So we'll see. But yeah, we're just keeping him for a couple of weeks and yeah. Snoopers. Hey, what's that? We're just about to have some late lunch. Hi, Pa. Papa just put together some leftovers. We got some sausage, menudo. I think that's calderettes and I don't know what that is. And some rice. Yummy. Hey. Hey. My dad and I went for a walk this morning and our neighbor gave us, look guys, fresh romaine lettuce. Like look how like the Chinese lady down the street.
Really?
Yeah, with her nice garden.
You talked to her, yeah?
Are you sure she's Chinese?
I don't know.
She said like, oh, she's sister.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I took her on a walk.
She gave us romaine lettuce. Look how beautiful this is. And she gave us some kale. She gave us kale, guys. So she's like, no one eats it, only the bunnies eat it. So nice of her. Hey guys. This is really bad lighting. Happy Sunday. Wow. We just finished church and we're here in the church kitchen right now.
And I want to play with Lego.
We're here in the church kitchen because we're just cleaning up. Yeah, we have a few errands that we need to run as usual on Sundays. So I'll take you along with us. Say hi, Chess.
Hi, Chad.
Wow, this is really good lighting. Say hi, Gab. Cammy, hi. Daddy, hi. We're here at Aaron Mills now. I just finished eating. I got some sushi. I was so hungry, so I didn't show it. But Manny's gonna come pick me up because we're gonna go take Snoop to a park with Manny's friend's dog. And yeah, it'll be fun. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Ma, Papa. Come here. Hi, look at you guys. Kobe. Snoopers. Look at these cuties. Want water? Run. Oh!
Oh, you're a PC player. Oh, that's why. I thought you were a PlayStation user.
Hey guys, so I'm back home with Snoopy Bear. Yeah, so we just went to like a nearby park just to let him and Kobe run loose and like kind of like get familiar with each other and yeah, just like run around and be free. Everyone is still out at the mall, I think. But yeah, we're just gonna chill. Don't really know what's going on for the rest of the day, so if something comes up, I'll see you then. Oh my god.
Show what Mama bought us
so
for.
My mom just threw a shirt at me and it says, oh hey vacay, and then Chaska's like, she wants us to wear it to the airport when we go to Punta Cana.
She does.
Yes. Okay. Oh my god.
Not Toronto Airport, right?
Oh, you're so cute, Ma.
Yeah, we can style it however.
Everyone has one?
Everybody? Oh my god.
Look, everyone's gonna like, oh cool.
Oh my god, they're gonna stare at us.
Like, oh, it's so fun. That's so funny.
Hello guys, long time no see.
R-E-S-V-Z-T.
I haven't vlogged in so long and I really apologize to those who have been waiting for a vlog. I've just been really, I know, I've just been really busy with like work and taking care of something. But I just want to officially say that, you guys want to say it with me? That
We have a dog.
we have a new puppy! I know that I did vlog him a little bit when we went camping with like Manny and Jomar and Diane and stuff, but we fostered him for like a few weeks to see how he is with our family, and we decided to keep him. So he's officially ours and we love him so much. He's so cute. He's such a good boy. He's a beagle. He's 4 months old and his name is Snoopy. And yeah, we love him and he's so good and we can't wait to like just, I don't know, be with him forever. Right guys?
Yes.
Anyways, we just finished church and we're gonna go home to feed Snoopy and then we're gonna go out to Yorkdale to eat and look around and stuff. So yeah, I guess we'll see you there.
Let's go.
Yay!
Yeah.
Snoopy's out!